as I to do.
Alright, April 1st, 2023, 5:46 a.m.
Starbucks run.
You got something to say to the camera?
First Starbucks run of many.
It's gonna be like found footage.
Do we like commit murder or some shit? Fuck. Like road trip went wrong.
We are somewhere in between Santa Clarita and Bakersfield.
Yep.
How has the drive been so far?
Hey man, I mean, it was really dark for a while, but you know the sun's up.
You know, the
So
sun is out.
it's feeling good. Gas mileage is looking good.
Yes, sir. Listen to some Logic. You know what I'm saying? There's
You
nothing
don't
better.
need to show that.
There's nothing
You don't
better
need to show
than
that.
this. You have the SpongeBob license, the driver's license.
I'm ready. Yeah, luckily no wheel has fallen off yet, so we're still doing all
You
right.
know, I think we lost some luggage back there on the bump. But
Yeah. No, we'll be good. If this thing breaks down this trip, I'll cut off my left testicle. I mean, this is Japanese engineering right here.
God
It
damn
doesn't
it.
get any better than
I
this.
thought we won the war. You know, the clouds are out tonight. Actually, well, we're kind of leaving them
This morning.
This morning. Sorry. As we leave from the mountain ranges. We're kind of out here in the flats.
We saw some crazy ass mist. It looked like some shit out of like Silent Hill.
Yes, I
like some horror
I'll
movie.
take a video.
It was so misty on the left too.
Demon time. Yeah, that's a shot right there. There's a shot right there.
Oh, that's sick.
All right. Sir, where the fuck are we?
Honestly, I have no fucking clue. But this drone shot is sick as fuck.
We're somewhere out in the abyss. The canyon.
I'm pretty sure they called this one like, what was it? It said like on the way in, it said something about like area like
52?
40. Oh my god, I thought I was about to hit a tree, but it was literally just a river that looked like a tree on my. Look at that fucker. Hopefully it doesn't turn out right here.
Some honking going on. I mean, you know, what can he do?
That man's just smiling honking.
Like, bro,
Like, what do you want it to do, bro? Okay. Here.
Hey, vlog. First couple hours. Oh, shit. What the fuck is that?
We're in Taco Bell out here.
What is this called? Kern County.
Kernville, yeah.
Kernville. It's a nice little small town near Lake Isabella.
We just passed by a fucking trading post.
A trading post. That's what I'm saying.
Not a market, not a supermarket, a fucking trading
A
post.
trading post.
Dudes were just parked out there in their 35-year-old pickups. They got about 6 hardware stores out here.
One church, one lake. That's all you really need.
To be part of the wave can't stop. Come and tell me when it's time to. Sweetheart is bleeding in the snow cone. So smart, she's leading me to ozone. Music, the great communicator. Used to sticks to make it in the nature. I'll fit you into penetration. The gender of a generation.
Did you press the
Oh, there we go. I'm recording. Alright, we up in this bitch with Yosemite.
I'm like locked in right now.
Yeah, Brad's.
This is a masterclass legacy game.
Yeah, Brad's driving the Taco for the first time. Doing pretty good, I'd say. And we haven't crashed yet, so that's a good sign. You know, it's a tight road.
I like it tight.
Same.
Found footage. Hey, so when you guys find this in the upside down.
She's been away, living day to day. It's been tough.
Little virgin, where's the light?
What's good? We out here.
Yo, shaboing boing.
Hey, who knew? Who knew? You know, we really came out the mud on this one.
Okay, bro.
Really reached the pinnacle of what we can achieve.
These fucking British people over here.
I know, right?
Shows lit.
Bro, they infiltrated us, bro.
I was like, it's open.
It's open.
He's right there. You know, we out here. Damn, she was asleep. She's missing the guy.
I mean, if I could live out here, I would.
This is some good zoom.
Got my niggas in the feds getting lows when they get out. Kiefer had to bring the bin, take her with the kid out. Got 5 bitches running out the door.
Two of them next to each other, so it looks like.
Be yourself. Be secure with yourself. Rely and trustable.
What the fuck is up, motherfuckers?
Oh, yo.
Wait, am I zoomed in? How do I zoom out again?
It's on the top.
Because that stuff is highly addictive.
Oh, I got it.
Become weed heads.
Oh, it was a 5-hour drive to Reno from where the fuck did we come from? Yosemite, that's right. I fell asleep for the first time since 4 a.m.
Unless you're taking it under
and I fell asleep in the middle of nowhere and I woke up in the middle of nowhere.
it's regular.
It's gonna be like that for a while until we get to Reno, but
Do not
we're now on an actual freeway,
with someone who is
so
inebriated.
that's cool, I guess. I would say that's nice, but I feel like it's nicer to be on the highway. But yeah, so we're about to get some gas soon, and then we'll switch drivers. We'll actually get these bugs
We
off the
too
damn
loud in
windshield.
public, them police
Might
turn
not
down
show
a
up in the
function. Now we
camera.
outside and the time is perfect. Forgot to tell you how much I vibe with you.
They should call us the
And we don't gotta be solo. Now stay away from highways. My eyes like them red lights. Right now I prefer yellow, red bone, so mellow. Fuck around, be cutting you.